Pakilala na po.
Hello, I'm Ryan Sardizon from the Laguna.
Candidates po, once you're done na po sa ating mga vloggers
Buhay, isang mga tinubang
vloggers
araw po.
interview po.
I'm Richard Manzanero
dito
from
na harap po ng mga
Hello
chairs po.
everyone, I'm Raven Valentin from Municipality of Victoria.
Okay, ikaw una kong tatanungin, ano ang pinagmamalaki mong tradisyon o produkto ng isang bayan, ng iyong bayan?
Of course, our very delicious delicacies, itik, itlog na pula at bugok. That's very delicious. Very prominent in my municipality.
Okay. Ito naman para sa iyo. Paano mo isusulong ang kultura at sining ng Laguna sa mas malawak na entablado?
Of course po, by joining this competition, na-highlight na po namin yung culture and traditions that we have. So if I given a chance and opportunity to spread po, maybe on social media, to use my social media platform to widen the social horizon and understanding of people with our culture. Hindi ka lang ba?
Okay, ikaw naman, kuya. Ano ang kahulugan ng pagiging isang tunay na Lagunense para sa iyo?
Tayo po bilang isang Lagunense, kilala tayo bilang isang masipag, lalo na't marami tayong rice field dito sa Laguna. So, para sa akin, makikilat, ayun po, masipag po.
Okay, last question na to ha. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng sash na suot mo ngayon?
Ang ibig sabihin ng sash na to para sa akin ay ako nagre-represent ng bait, which is proud ako na represent ko ulit ang munisipyo ko. Dahil dito, dahil sa pagmamahal ko sa bait, kung saan ako pinalaki at saka pinanganak. And gusto ko pong gamitin itong platform na ito para may hikayat na itry nila yung mga pinagmamalaki namin mo na ibait or itry nila na pumunta sa amin, mag-visit sa amin para pumunta sa pinagmamalaki naming fund. Yun lang.
Okay.
Ang fund yun?
Paano mo ipapakita ang tunay na diwa ng isang lakan?
For me, ang tunay na diwa po ng isang lakan, aside from being masculinity, kasi someone po, sometimes masculinity po ay na stereotype natin eh. They think na kapag masculine ka, dapat mag-fit ka sa standard ng lalaki sa lipunan natin. But for me, it is more than that. It is about knowing your flaws and imperfections, accepting it, and also standing for what is right and facing the consequences of your actions.
Okay. Ano ang inaasahan mong matutunan sa iyong pageant journey?
Learnings that I wanted to imply to myself to be humility, being humble, not always feet on the ground. That's the best thing that I can learn in this pageant.
Okay, please invite them on your coronation night and your social media account. Promote mo na din.
So I wanted you guys to invite to come here in Laguna on March 8th on our preliminary competition as well as on March 20 on our coronation day. And you guys can follow me on my social media account, Maning Team Raven, on my IG, as well as on my Facebook account, Raven Samong. Thank you.
Same with
Ang
you.
buhay. You can follow me po on my IG, Richard Manzanero, on my Facebook, Richard Manzanero, and on TikTok, Richard Manzanero as well. So I want to invite you all to come on March 8 for our preliminary competition wherein we will showcase our talent in our festival costumes. And on March 20, our coronation night, and experience the Love Laguna.
Okay.
Please do support and watch us on our prelims this March 8 and also on our coronation night this March 20.
Okay. Again, nawala na yung kasama mo. Ikaw na lang yung winning wave mo for this time. Go!